Why is it so difficult to get a visa interview set up at a US consulate? I'm Eric Widman, I'm an immigration lawyer, and under COVID, the period of delays has been greatly increased when you're trying to set up a visa interview. The main reason for this is because of the short-staffed number of employees at US consulates around the world. Also, the consulates and the embassies have not yet enabled people to do an interview remotely. That would dramatically improve the ability of everyone to get their job done. That, unfortunately, won't be changing soon, but as telemedicine advances and people become more comfortable with remote video conferencing, both the government and employees and applicants, we should see an increase there as well. But right now, it is very difficult to get your visa interview set up. And of course, it's been difficult for years and years. It's increased in difficulty because of the short staffing, because of the difficulty of getting through their computer system. And this is one of the hangups that many of our clients are experiencing, is that they're unable to get into the computer system and find a date that they could sign up for to make it possible to show up for the interview. There's months and months ahead. There's nothing as far as the eye can see. The key thing to keep in mind, therefore, is that if you are considering traveling, but it's optional, if you're traveling outside the United States and it's optional, we recommend waiting till the backlog can be reduced for all these interviews at consulates around the world. Approximately 500,000 interviews are still waiting to be scheduled. There's, for both immigrant visas and non-immigrant visas, there's a massive backlog. So if you're able to wait, for example, to get a new stamp in your passport, get a new visa stamp, you should do that. It's such a difficult catch-22, though, for many foreign nationals who want to be able to travel internationally, finally see their families after a long time, but you could be stuck outside the United States waiting for a visa stamp appointment for up to a year in many cases. So if you're prepared to work remotely, that could be an option. But just keep that in mind, that you could be prevented from coming back into the United States for a while. Also, keep in mind too that certain embassies have a faster turnaround time and compared to other regions of the world. In, for example, Paris or London, the wait is significant, but it's not as bad, for example, as in India, where the backlog is enormous. Similarly, if you are hoping to get your immigrant visa interview done quickly, you're going to be disappointed because the wait time is extensive there. The worst category of all, most likely, is a non-immigrant visa where you're trying to get a visitor visa for a family member. There, the wait times are atrocious. Down in Mexico, for example, the average is 2 years, almost 2 years of a waiting period to finally get a visitor visa interview so a loved one can come and visit you in the US. The State Department is working on these backlogs. We hope they get the backlog reduced, staff up, and take the steps they need to take in order to reunite families and employees with their businesses. Let us know if you have any questions about this, and take care.